Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. Today I'm gonna be here to show you guys a natural glowy makeup tutorial, but not using any highlight. I know there's a lot of people out there who don't necessarily care for highlight, but they also want that naturally glowy look. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve that look, and yeah, so let's get started. I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. You guys are amazing. Like, the comments just uplift my spirit sometimes, especially when I'm like down and not really feeling myself. But I really appreciate it, and let's get into the video. So let's start off with this. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with like moisturizing our lips, and I put on the Fresh Sugar hydrating lip balm. And you guys, I already finished the caramel one, and that one smells amazing. So I grabbed the peach because it smells really good. Alright, so to prep my face, I'm gonna start off with like a mist, a skin mist, and this is gonna help like make the makeup very glowy and like natural looking. And I'm gonna use the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And I spray it onto my hand. Skin, I'm going to use the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And then a lot of you guys tell me like about my bags.
Thank you, Sherlock Holmes. Was that a mystery? Like, what did you just solve by telling me that? By, wasting 5 seconds of your time and my time by pointing out the obvious.
And I already knew that I had like really bad bags. I mean, they're not terrible, but they're there. You can see them. So I went like on a hunt, like literally a hunt in Sephora for different products for under eye, whether it was like to depuff or to brighten. I definitely went on a hunt. I like the Origins one. It's like a depuffer, and it has like the metal ball, and you just roll it under. I mostly use that for on days like where you cried the previous day. Oh my god. And then the next day you wake up in the morning and your eyes are all puffy and they're swollen. I use that, and kid you not, like under my eyes is much better than what it was when I woke up. So I definitely recommend that. So I'm gonna use the No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. So I always get the trial size because I like to travel with it wherever I'm going, like if I'm going out of state or stuff like that. Okay, and then once it sets into your skin, you'll kind of notice like it'll have like this ashy look. I recommend to use it when you are putting on makeup because people can see it. Okay, and then next we're gonna use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade, I think it's Cacao or Cacao. Please, like, correct me in the comments, but I've been saying it so wrong, I think. And I'm gonna use my finger to like warm up the product and put it on, and then I'll use like a brush to buff it in. Then I want to contour. I always use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. And then we're gonna set the makeup in place, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now, I've always looked for bronzer. Finally, I found the bronzer that I love, and that's the Fenty Beauty in the Mocha Mami. So far, ever since I tried her bronzer, I have been using it literally every single day. So this is the shade, and it's so pretty. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. I know it's gonna work for me and my complexion, so that's what I did. I picked it up, used it, and I was like, girl, yes! And I don't go too hard with the product. I just want a light bronze, and this product gives it to me. The part we really been waiting for. Now, don't get scared when I show you guys, because I don't want you to think that you're gonna be like this oily mess. I promise you're not. On my channel, I know you guys see that I use Farsali a lot, and I'm gonna be using their rose gold elixir, and I'm not gonna put a lot onto my face. Okay, and then you want to buff it in. And look at how like natural that looks, you guys. Like, you don't need highlight. Like, there's some people who just don't want to wear highlight, but they do want that natural like glowy look. And just putting a little bit of that Farsali elixir on is gonna like give you that natural looking like highlight. So yeah, I'm like glad I tried this technique. And then for the lip gloss, I'm using my absolute favorite. I just bought a second one, and that's the Clarins Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil, and it is amazing. It's literally like a lip gloss, but it is a comfort oil, and it lasts. It feels amazing on the lips. And also the shade is Honey. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.